How to download and install Cash App. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now in the search box, type in Cash and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, click on it. Now you're gonna get the option install or get. Or you might get this kind of arrow option. You'll need to click on it. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Cash App is a mobile payment service that allows users to send, receive, and request money instantly. It also offers features like a free debit card, direct deposits, investing in stocks and Bitcoin, and quick bank transfers, all within a simple, secure app. Once downloaded, you can launch it. Then go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. And that's it. This is how you can easily download and install Cash App. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.